Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on ONN 100025111 disco lamp speaker with color white LED lighting. Parts description. Power button. 3.5mm audio input jack. Volume decrease or brightness button. Volume increase or brightness plus button. Mode button. LED light button. Light indicator USB charging port 5 VDC by 1A. Standard accessories. Features. Playtime. Bluetooth pairing. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Go to search and select Bluetooth name ONN Disco Ball to pair your disco lamp speaker. Voice prompt Bluetooth connected will be heard once paired. O interface. Aux port can connect with an external audio source for music playing. However, the voice-controlled light mode is not workable while it connects with an external audio source for music playing. Indicator. Red light is on when charging. Blue light is flashing when pairing. Blue light fixed when paired. Lights off when disco ball lamp is off. Charging. Installation. Remote control. Icon functions. Troubleshooting. Battery low. Charging failure. No sound from speaker. No sound under Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth not connected. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.